Hello everyone, today I'm going to do a very excited unboxing on the PlayStation 4 Pro Limited Edition Spider-Man in Amazing Red. And I've been waiting for this since it came out, and the game since they announced it about 2 years ago, so this is exciting. So we'll get right into it. This is probably one of my favorite PlayStation 4s that they've done, only because I'm a really big Spider-Man fan. So up first, it's just a quick start guide. Put that there. So we'll just first open what's in here. Power cable. HDMI. Oh no, this was the micro USB and this is the HDMI. Sorry about that. The greatest headset you'll ever find. And here is the controller. This is really nice, especially in person. I thought it was gonna it looks a little bit more orange in the pictures, but it's definitely red, and probably in the video, but it's a really nice red. All this stuff aside, of course, the physical copy of Spider-Man. Looks amazing. What you've been waiting for. I'll put this over here. PlayStation. I'm so excited for this. Wow. This looks a lot better than I thought it would. This looks amazing. In the Amazing Red, as they called it. Sorry about the glare. Not too much about the lighting. Here's the front. It's a lot darker than it usually looks in other unboxings, and here's the back. The bottom, even the bottom looks nice. This is just a really nice system. I am so excited to try it out. And that was it. That was the unboxing of the long-awaited Spider-Man PlayStation 4. There it is, what we've all been waiting for. Thank you for watching and have a great day.